How to add SPF record in Namecheap. Follow the instructions. Log into your Namecheap account at namecheap.com. Go to the domain list from the left sidebar. Click the Manage button next to your domain. Click the Advanced DNS tab at the top. Scroll down to the Host Records section. Click the Add New Record button. Select TXT record from the list. In the Host field, enter at. In the Value field, enter your SPF record. For example, V is equal to SPF1 include _SPF.google.com _all. Leave the TTL field as automatic or set it to a custom value like 3600. Click the green check mark to save the record. Wait for DNS changes to propagate, which may take a few minutes to several hours. Thank you for watching.